All the way out.
All the way out, so I'm going to wrap it a couple of times just to be sure.
That's up there.
There we go.
Well done.
Nice.
It's in orbit.
You like what I'm doing? Look at that.
That's awesome. Well done.
All the little sandpipers and two that are a little bit different. Ah, apparently that was just too much.
A sandpiper too far.
We'll find them again.
Yep.
They just went there.
So Mary and I went around and tried to save some trees, and some of our trees and some of the neighbors' trees. This is super, super wet. Heavy snow, aka heart attack snow, which I felt like I was gonna have. But we have a little neighbor next to us who can't get out, so we tried to do a little bit over there and try to do some around our property. We've already lost stuff in the front yard, trees in the back. We got losing big limbs. We lost at least a couple trees, but whew, considering it was 60s plus degrees yesterday, I think this is bonkers. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we lost some big old branches. I drug that out of the road. Oh. Crap. Do you hear that? I wonder if that actually, if you could hear that on the video. I'm losing stuff left and right. But we tried. Saved a few. Those little things were practically on the yard. But yeah, there's only so much you can do in this stuff. Oh man.
That'll be fun.
That's
So it's a beach video and then this.
yeah, beach video and then snow. That's what we came home to.
And then heavy wet. Oh. Wow.
Jeez, that was loud. I hope people's houses aren't getting hit, but I can't imagine they aren't. Ugh, makes me feel guilty for asking for snow when I like it.
Don't feel guilty.
I'm not gonna feel guilty.
Not snow, you just ask for snow.
I asked for snow, not people's property damage.
Not death snow.
Or out electricity. But it is Virginia, and it is snow in Virginia, in central Virginia, no less. So, things kind of come to a standstill.